Okay, so the middle part of my Unicorn Dreamcatcher, I just did in the shape of a star. So I tied it onto the hoop, and then I just went around the hoop making a star. I'll show you the pattern on the next screen, but what I did is I first used white hemp cord, if you can see it, see the white? And then after I did the star, I came back and I used multi-color yarn. See the purple? I tied it again in a knot and I did the same pattern in a star so that anywhere you look in the Dreamcatcher, hopefully you can see what I'm trying to show you here is it's anywhere you look, you see a beautiful star. It's like 3D. That was the look I was going for.
So after you glued the little teeny flowers around the rim of the ears, I attached the eyes. I just did that by hand, but you can trace over some eyes that are online, some unicorn eyes. Now just arrange your flowers and hot glue them. And I start with the biggest flowers for the center. It only takes a minute to dry. And then I go around the base. But you want to stagger them and stack them, and so that they're not so far apart. It just looks better. You might want to hold it if you want it in a certain position. You might want to hold it for like 30 seconds. And then just keep going and keep layering. Add leaves.
Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to attach these beautiful ribbons around your Unicorn Dreamcatcher. I cut my ribbons 30 inches. I'm going to show you different techniques. You can pick out whichever one you want to use and just apply it to your Dreamcatcher. So, I cut mine 30 inches, and then you just want to fold it in half. Okay, first technique, I'm going to use this hula hoop since I already put my ribbons on my Unicorn Dreamcatcher because I was so excited when I was making it. So, you form a loop. You come in through the back. You just take your cord, the back of your string, and you pull. Okay, that's one technique. Do it again. This is a different technique. But again, you fold it in half. This, you form a hoop, and you stay in the front of your hoop. And you bring your ribbon around, and you just go through the loop towards the front, and you pull. That's my favorite technique because I love the look of that. It just looks really, really pretty. And the last technique is just to fold it in half over your hoop. Add a little hot glue. Hold it down for a second, and that will work just as good. Hi, okay, so now I want to show you how to attach these adorable beads. You can pick out whatever beads you want. I just love these bling beads. And so I used hemp cord. You can use whatever cord you want. There's cord, string, there's even clear cord and glow-in-the-dark cord. The main thing is you want to make sure that whatever you choose is able to fit through your beads, whatever beads you choose. And there's so many beads out there, it's unreal. And they're so beautiful, but see the difference? You just want to make sure you can get whatever cord you're using through the beads. So, I cut it 20 inches. And now you want to I like to stagger my beads like this. You just put the cord through, and I like when you stagger them. Okay. So now you just want to figure out where you want it on your Dreamcatcher because you're just gonna tie it in a knot on top. So figure out where you want your bead to go or hang.
So I want mine about there. All you do is knot, knot, and then one more. Just like that. And then if you want to add more, different colors, different styles, as long as the cord can fit through